Okay, class. I'm going to give you guys your instructions for your $1 million project. To get the project, you need to go to the BL Drive, and you need to open up your period. You guys are either in period 5 or period 6. So you're going to come over here to your desktop computer, click on the Windows icon, then you're going to come over to computer, then you're going to click on the BL Drive. And once you click on the BL Drive, you're going to find our folder, which is Business and Computer Science. Click on that folder, and whether you're in period 5 or 6, you're going to click on your period, and you're going to find the project. So for right now, I'll just choose period 5, and then you're going to find Student $1 Million Project. Click on that. Now I'm giving you guys a rubric on how to follow, what to follow for your project, all the steps and the rules. There is a template here I've created for you guys to use that you can chart, but let me go ahead and go over the instructions first. So basically the instructions are here, but I gave you guys your rubric to follow. For the most part, you're gonna go shopping, pretty much have fun, go shopping. You have your own choice on what you want to buy for your shopping to get to $1 million. The only thing on the rubric is for you guys to follow is a few things. You must spend the entire amount or within $100. That means you must spend at least $999,900, but you can't go over $1 million. Okay? So I'll give you points based on how you spend the money, how much you spend, right? Only 3 items can cost over $100,000. And that's your house and 2 cars, right? Your house can't cost more than $450,000, including sales tax, and your cars can't cost over $150,000, including sales tax. Everything else you buy must be under $50,000, right? And you have to have at least 20 different items, and you'll see all of this on your rubric. And then you're going to have to Google how to create a chart from your data. If you ask me for help, you're going to lose points. If you get help from me, you'll still get the points, but you won't get as many points as you would if you did it by yourself. Okay? So let's take a look at what I want you guys to do. You're going to still be in your section there. Back in here. Click on the student template. Alright, so in your student template, looks like this. You're going to go shopping. So the first item you want to buy is house and stuff. So let's say you buy a house. Let's say you buy a 4-bedroom house. Alright, you want to buy a 4-bedroom house. So you want to buy one of those. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to that website, which is remax.com, and you go ahead and look for a house. Like you're really going shopping, right? But remember, you cannot go over the allotted amount I gave you guys for your house. So you're going to go shopping and you have a budget to stay within for your house. So I see already that this amount, $568,000, is too much. So you got to find a house that's within your budget. Okay? So let's say we get a house right here. This is a cool house right here that you can get. Actually, that's too much. So you want to stay within your budget. So your budget for a house, you cannot go over $450,000. These houses are all pretty good to buy. So let's say we get this house right here. This house is in Johns Creek. It's $425,000. And the way I found that was I went ahead and did my search on the website, and I specified what I want to look for in my options. Okay? So I got a house for $425,000 in Johns Creek. So I'm going to go ahead and come back to here, and I'm going to put in $425,000 for my house. It'll calculate everything else for you, including the tax and the total cost. Right? So far, I've spent that much money for my house. Right? Now you want to go ahead and furnish your house out. You want to buy things for your house. You can go shopping. You can go to Home Depot. You can go to anywhere you want to go to furnish your house. You can go to Rooms to Go. Those kind of places you want to go to furnish your house out. Okay? Then automobile, you want to buy a car. So you want to go to autotrader.com. I have that there, or cars.com you can go to look for your car. Make sure you put that information in there. It'll fill out the rest for you. Go shopping. I put down Shoe Religion as a place you can go shopping at. Go anywhere you want to shop for your clothes. Then you can go to buy a pet. You can buy a pet at Petco. You can go to Best Buy and you can buy a TV or other electronics you might need for your house. Okay. Once you put all your information in, you're going to get a total at the bottom, and you can see where you are. So far, I've spent $454,750 on a house with tax, and as you start to accumulate more things, your house totals will start going up too. And if you go over, it'll show you that you're going over. Okay? So after you've done all this information, you're going to go ahead and chart your data right here. And if you ask me for help, you lose points. And if you get help from me, you will get points, but you won't get as many points as you would if you did it yourself. Okay? So that is going to be your activity for today. This is all done in Microsoft Excel. At some point, you can create your own template, and you can see how I created mine. Okay? So have fun, and it's your choice on where you want to shop.